T-minus 45 seconds.
Vehicle to internal power.
The ground umbilical is beginning to swing back. T-minus 30 seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds and counting. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
Intermediate. Lift off. Fly now.
And the Soyuz is now on its way with Mike Hopkins, Oleg Kotov, and Sergey Ryazanskiy on a 6-hour ride to the International Space Station.
All nominal. Everything is fine on board.
Good first stage performance. The Soyuz delivering 102 tons of thrust from its 4 boosters and single engine. The first stage of the Soyuz measures 68 feet in length and 24 feet in diameter. It is currently burning liquid fuel for the first 2 minutes and 6 seconds of the flight.
Seconds, nominal flight.
"70 seconds into the flight, velocity is now 1,100 miles an hour.
Nine. 90 seconds. Stable condition. Inaudible.
The 4 strap-on boosters have now been jettisoned. These have completed their job and have dropped away at an altitude of 30 statute miles. The Soyuz is now traveling at 3,937 miles an hour.
One 50 seconds. All is nominal. $160. Launch shroud jettison.
The launch shroud has now been jettisoned. The rocket's altitude is now 52 miles high.
Confirming launch shroud jettison. Observing. Confirming.
Here's a look at Mike Hopkins there in the right seat of the Soyuz. Everything on board going according to plan.
Vibration, oscillation, within norm. Nominal operation of the systems.
The Soyuz core stage is performing as expected. The core stage of this vehicle is 56 feet in length, 13.5 feet in diameter, with a single engine, with 4 fuel chambers providing 96 tons of thrust for its 3 minutes and 28 seconds of operation. The stage will continue to burn until the 4-minute, 43-second mark. The Soyuz uses what's called a hot stage technique. The third stage will ignite while the second stage is still burning. This is why the Soyuz has an open area in between the second and third stages. Second stage is separating and shutting down.
Interference.
Current altitude 105 miles.
Third stage thruster activation.
The Soyuz now being propelled by the single engine of the Soyuz's third stage. This engine is providing 30 tons of thrust and will burn for 4 minutes and 2 seconds.
Separation from the third stage. Three 350 seconds, thrusters nominal.
Once the third stage delivers the Soyuz to orbit and the module is separated, a series of pre-programmed commands will be executed to prepare the Soyuz for orbital operations.
Everything is fine on board.
These stored commands, called time-tagged commands, allow many of the Soyuz's systems to be automatically activated by onboard computers at precise times stored within them. Hundred 20 seconds. Nominal systems. The Soyuz continuing to fly. Everything is going right down the line. $500. All nominal. At 8 minutes and 45 seconds into the flight, we have third stage cutoff and separation. The single liquid-fueled engine has shut down and dropped away at an altitude of about 125 statute miles.
Oleg, Sergey, congratulations.
The third stage is performing an avoidance maneuver. All the communication systems and the solar arrays have now been deployed.
Pulsar, this is Moscow.
And the cruise antenna has been deployed. The Soyuz is now orbiting at an altitude of 143 miles by 118 miles. That orbit will be raised systematically over the course of the next 6 hours, placing it in close proximity to the International Space Station. Control of the spacecraft from here on will be overseen by the Russian Mission Control Center just outside of Moscow. But again, an uneventful and successful flight into space for Oleg Kotov, Sergey Ryazanskiy, and NASA's Mike Hopkins. They are now on a 6-hour journey to the International Space Station.
And pressure reports.
Everything went according to plan. Everything went as expected. Again, the Soyuz has reached orbit. All of the communications antennas and the solar arrays have been deployed as planned.